Hi and welcome to Carlisle Audi. In this video I'm going to be giving you a quick demonstration on how to connect your phone to the Audi smartphone interface. This does include Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Using these easy and simple steps we will soon have your phone connected in no time. Firstly, take your USB cable and connect it to the centre console. The USB port location may vary between different models. Simply plug in your mobile phone and you now have access to the Audi smartphone interface. Once connected, you do have a full access to different mobile features which are displayed on a much more enjoyable screen. You do have different features such as Google Maps, Spotify or your chosen music player, text messages and your phone calls. You do also have access to WhatsApp if this is an app that you do use on your mobile phone. You can use Siri to respond to messages or enter any destinations that you might want to visit. And you can also use the keyboard which can be easily displayed on screen. Alongside using Siri to respond to text messages, you can also use it to make hands-free phone calls on the go. And you're also able to access different mobile phone settings where you can choose to activate Do Not Disturb while driving, giving you full concentration on the road. The Audi smartphone interface will vary between different models, and any mobile phone features will vary between mobile devices, as you can also access Android Auto alongside Apple CarPlay. On the most recent models, you do have the option to connect your mobile phone to the Audi smartphone interface using Bluetooth for a quick and easy connection, and I will show you how to use this in the next clips. To connect to Apple CarPlay through Bluetooth, the first step is to make sure that your Bluetooth is activated by going into your device's Bluetooth settings. You then simply need to select the Phone Apps tab on the main menu and you can begin pairing your device. Select the correct Audi MMI device by using the Audi MMI number and then just accept and pair your mobile phone. Once you've done this, allow your device to establish the connection and you can use any of your mobile device features that we have previously shown you when you're out and about in your vehicle. For any more information on our new and approved used vehicle stock, please follow the link in the description or give us a call on 01228 371 516. Thank you for watching.